Hotel English in 3 levels, Day 5, Beginner to Advanced. Hello everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy English. Today, Day 5, Hotel Words and Sentences in English, in 3 levels. Listen and repeat. Let's go. Level 1, Single Words. Hotel. Hotel. Room. Room. Guest. Guest. Key. Key. Bed. Bed. Pillow. Pillow. Reception. Reception. Towel. Towel. Shower. Shower. Bar. Bar. Pool. Pool. Breakfast. Breakfast. Restaurant. Restaurant. Gym. Gym. Luggage. Luggage. Check-in. Check-in. Check-out. Check-out. Bill. Bill. Reservation. Reservation. Great job. Level 1 complete. Let's move to Level 2. Level 2, Short Sentences. I stay at a hotel. I stay at a hotel. I need a room. I need a room. Where is the reception? Where is the reception? I am a guest here. I am a guest here. Can I have the key? Can I have the key? The bed is soft. The bed is soft. I need an extra pillow. I need an extra pillow. Can I have a towel? Can I have a towel? I take a shower. I take a shower. The bathroom is clean. The bathroom is clean. What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? The restaurant is good. The restaurant is good. Let's go to the bar. Let's go to the bar. Is there a pool? Is there a pool? Where is the gym? Where is the gym? I have heavy luggage. I have heavy luggage. What time is check-in? What time is check-in? What time is check-out? What time is check-out? Can I have the bill? Can I have the bill? Excellent. Level 2 done. Now Level 3. Level 3, Advanced Sentences. I booked a hotel near the city center. I booked a hotel near the city center. I need a double room with a view. I need a double room with a view. The reception is on the ground floor. The reception is on the ground floor. I am a guest in room 205. I am a guest in room 205. Can I have a second key for my wife? Can I have a second key for my wife? The bed was too soft for my back. The bed was too soft for my back. Could you bring one more pillow, please? Could you bring one more pillow, please? The towels are in the bathroom closet. The towels are in the bathroom closet. I prefer a shower instead of a bath. I prefer a shower instead of a bath. The bathroom has a hairdryer and soap. The bathroom has a hairdryer and soap. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. The hotel restaurant is very expensive. The hotel restaurant is very expensive. Let's meet at the bar at 8 p.m. Let's meet at the bar at 8 p.m. Is the swimming pool heated? Is the swimming pool heated? The gym is open 24 hours a day. The gym is open 24 hours a day. The porter helped me with my luggage. The porter helped me with my luggage. Check-in is at 2 p.m., not earlier. Check-in is at 2 p.m., not earlier. Checkout is at 11 a.m. sharp. Checkout is at 11 a.m. sharp. I made a reservation under the name Smith. I made a reservation under the name Smith. Can I pay the bill by credit card? Can I pay the bill by credit card? Fantastic! Now you know hotel words and sentences in English. Practice every day and your English will improve fast. Like and subscribe, new lessons every day on SpeakEasy English. See you tomorrow.